Wonder how long I go before I break it. Oh, by the way, this is Ryan. I'm just getting back to trying to. We just got the XMaxx put back together because it breaks all the time. Ah. Usually when you're launching it this far, I don't know how everybody else does it, but always something breaks. And I'm usually landing on all four. Whoa! Whew! That one might have hurt. Yep, that one might have hurt. Good thing I got my helmet on. Wasn't nearly this far. Let's try that one again. I could see it was coming my direction. No way I can't break something. Let's try that one again. I could see it was coming my direction. No way I can't break something. That was a good one. Oh, that stump right there. And if you notice, I do have the aluminum hub carriers or whatever they are. The thing that the new Ultimate's got on it. I actually put them on there before. This is actually the first drive that I used them. Come to think about it. Well, that one hung up in there. The Junipers really like this truck, I think. Let's see if we can get one from this angle. All you're going to see is the front end of it, though. That was a pretty good. That was a pretty good jump right there. I think that might have been the furthest. Oh, there goes the drive. Wow, that's the first time the body went off. Wow. That was a pretty hard hit, too. Yeah, see, put a little piece of aluminum in there. It bent and it's not really working. So I am buying a new one 1st of January. It's already in the shopping cart. I just wait for payday. I'll get a new body. Everybody talks about those basher bodies, but I don't know. Damn it! Got a ramp shaver on that one. Well, now the body wants to just keep coming off now. I think I had something made. I was going to keep it in place, but apparently not. I lost my body somewhere. Maybe that's the body god's telling me to throw that fucker away. Oh, I was looking for green. Oh my god! Uh-oh. That's why it's getting worse. My piece of metal bent. It's not holding on very well. Well, only got a couple more jumps and we're going to call it a day. I just wanted to get out here and bash this thing for a few minutes. It's been sitting on the shelf for I don't know how long. A month or so. That's a long time for me not to clear the car. And yes, that is the beast right there. I actually got to drive it the first time in 6 or 7 years, I think. Got her fixed up. And like I said, that rig's got 4th motor, 2 trannies, 1 new rear end, got a double single grizzly bar. Had lights on it, but I took them off because I used them on the motorhome. But Warren hubs. It's a 76, so it's the bicentennial. That right there is a beast too. It had the 400, but it had the Siamese twin heads on it, which were known for not being very good. The heads would split. You have to be an old fart, I guess, to understand what I mean.